Hello students, welcome to new video. Today we are going to discuss about groups and periods of Mendeleev's periodic table or modern periodic table. Not Mendeleev's but modern periodic table. So today we are going to discuss about period and electronic configuration. Periods and electronic configuration of elements. So as we have seen this in previous video also, we have learned about this thing, okay, what is meant by period, how they were classified, or in that period how the molecules were designed or how the molecules were described. So to study further about it, so modern periodic table has consist its own limit. In that we can clearly see that each and every element repeats after 18th group, and that which is place we have in vertical column and vertical horizontal periods. So that is we are going to study further about this thing. So you will find that in modern periodic table you will find that the number of valence shell in electron is different in those elements, however the number of shell is the same. You will also find that while going from left to right within the period, the atomic number increases by 1 at a time, and the number of valence electron also increases by 1 at a time, as you can see on the screen. So now we can see that the element, that is the number of specified elements or some number of elements, can be electron begin to be same period, which means as we can see in the chart, that is hydrogen and lithium have the same valence electron, that is 1, which is at the last electronic configuration, that is valence electron. What is meant by valence electron? The electron present in last orbit. Last or outermost orbit. Now there are how many orbits are there? 4 orbits are there: K, L, M and N. Okay, each having their own capacity, that is 2, 8, 18, 32. K, L, M, N. K shell, and inside that one nucleus is situated. Around it, each and every means here we can take one example, that is we can take example hydrogen. So in first hydrogen, valency of hydrogen is 1, which means we have to place this according to this. So in first orbit only one electron is there, so that is this electron is nothing but the free electron or valence electron for the hydrogen bond. As per the electron holding equal to the shell second, elements are present in the first shell and 8 element in the second period. The third period also contain only 8 or few factors which control to filling of electrons. The subequatorial periods are also we known as the standards, or these known as the standard of next period. So each and every means K shell, we have C K shell. So number of valence electron present in K shell is 1, 2, 3, 4 according to their orbit. And when we are derived it into a different stages, so we'll get the equation like this, which means, so here I'm just going to make the table for it. So shell, number of electrons which we have taken, a serial number and the power. Okay, next, so K, L, M, N, 1, 2, 3, 4. So here 2 to the power 1, which means 2. So next, so here 2 to the power, we have to construct here with respect to their power. So for first shell, that is 2 to the power 1, which is 2. Here 2 to the power 3, which is nothing but the 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Next, afterwards what we are going to do this, that we have to multiply this 2 with respect to next shell, that is 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 2, and next 4 into 3 2 to the power 2, like that. For example, now here, or we can write down like this, 2 into 2 to the power 2. So 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8. Next, 2 into 3 to the power 2. So 3 2s are 3 3s are the square of 3 is 9, and 9 into 2, that is 18, and here 2 into 4 to the power square. So 4 2s are 16, 2s are 32. So like that electronic configuration is held for K, L, M, N shell. As you can see on the screen, the table was tabulated. So this table is nothing but exactly for this table like this. So I hope you understand this phenomenon. Today we have just taken the period and electronic configuration of element. So period and electronic configuration, in which again we are taking some examples for it. So to start next example, we have taken over here, that is, we'll take here beryllium, which is valence is 4. So the valence electron in beryllium is, we are going to take another one, that is we are going to take over here boron, carbon, oxygen. We'll take oxygen. Okay, so the oxygen has the periodic function which is 8th time, and lithium is 3. So that's what we are going to take here, one example of lithium. To calculate the atomic structure of an lithium, so first we have to take the nucleus, which is made by Li, first orbit and second orbit. So the lithium is the list number which is came at the position of 3. So for that, lithium to the power 3, we have to place these 3 according to this rule. In first orbit we have placed 2 electrons, so 1 remain, which is placed in L shell. Means lithium is only fulfilled in K and L shell only. Next, again beryllium is also one example, but when we take the hydrogen, in the hydrogen also one empty electron is there. In lithium also one empty electron is there. No doubt, no difference, that there is a difference between their orbit. In hydrogen 1 orbit is used, in lithium 2 orbit is used. Same if we have taken sodium, so sodium, for sodium Na, and the number of valence electron, electronic configuration of sodium is 11. So which means in first orbit we have placed 2, in second orbit we have placed 8 element, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and in third element 1 element is remain, because 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 1 11. So here sodium also 11. So in the first group, which one they are? Hydrogen, lithium and sodium has the same electronic valency, that is 1, and that's what these 3s are placed at the same column, in one column only. As you are seeing in the periodic table, so these 3 elements were placed at the one place only. Next, if we have taken some another example, that is beryllium and magnesium. To calculate beryllium and magnesium, again what we are going to do this, that is we have to take beryllium as 4 and magnesium as 12. First we are going to calculate about beryllium. So beryllium B, that is in first orbit 2 electrons are there, in second orbit we'll place remaining 2 electrons like this, and in magnesium also we are going to place in first orbit 2, in second orbit that is total 8, 3 4 5 6 7 8, and in last orbit we'll place 2. So beryllium and magnesium Mg. Okay, so as we have seen over here, first group 2, second 8, third 1, third 2. So here the configuration of beryllium is like that, 2 comma 1. Okay, sorry, 2 comma 2, sorry, 2 comma 2, in first orbit 2, in second orbit also 2, and for magnesium that is 2 comma 8 comma 2. So in last shell 2 electrons were remain, as we have seen. Okay, so such type of examples, also some of examples are there. I'm going to give you some example for study. So the next example is boron and aluminium. I'll give you some example further for study. That is first example I'll give you, that is boron and aluminium, B which is 5, aluminium which is 13, next carbon which is 5, and silicon which is 14, next nitrogen and phosphorus, nitrogen at 7, phosphorus as 15, next oxygen, and oxygen is to 8, and oxygen, and with respect to that sulfur is given, I'll give you sulfur, that is 16. So you have to solve this and you have to find it out, you have to check it out, the last valence electron in each group is same or not. If the same, so you have to tell me in the comment box which is given below. If it is different, so that also you have to tell me. If it is different, so why it is different and in which it is different, or if it is same, so you have to see the same. In previous question I have asked you one question about electric current and another for photosynthetic effect. I was forgotten the name actually. So the person who has gave me the correct answer is Vishal Varsha Kadam madam. Varsha Kadam madam give me the correct answer, that is 63. I have, my question is like that, up to Mendeleev's periodic table how many elements were discovered. So this correct answer is 63 and Varsha Kadam madam gave me the correct answer. So congratulations ma'am. I hope you understand this phenomenon. If you have a doubt, so ask me in the comment box which is given below. Otherwise like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.